want to put the shit on the bench away? Start in the kitchen like that.
What are you cooking, Claire?
Making a salad.
What kind of salad?
This is a lot of pressure.
What salad are you making, Claire?
I actually don't know the name of it, David. Joke to you? Do you find this amusing? You are so bossy.
Curl your fingers in.
No. Want a lot. Don't.
The trick to boiling the perfect egg is to tap it 3 times on either end and stand on one foot and place it in non-boiling water. The eggs didn't turn out. Plate's getting heavy.
Make a milk.